It could impact anyone who drives in the state of Indiana. The possibility of tolls on several interstates. I-64, I-65, I-69, I-70, I-74, and I-94 are being studied. We're working for you, breaking down the potential cost. For example, a trip from Indianapolis to Fort Wayne is 105 miles. The study shows cars will pay 4 cents per mile on I-69, so that trip would cost $4.20. If you're traveling from Indy to the Illinois state line on I-70, that would run you about $3.24. Indianapolis to Gary on I-65, that would cost $6.12. Of course, this isn't anywhere close to being a done deal, but the state is exploring the option.